If DJT Stock Analysis Tuesday, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Trump Media stock, or Trump Media and Technology stock, doesn't look good, honestly. Like, start of the week, 3.5% down, not the best. The way that I'd still really look forward to taking this thing higher is wait for it to give me bullish momentum. By doing what? By at least giving me like a double break here so I can take higher. Anything else that's not gonna be that is I'm just not gonna be interested in, and I'll just keep chill, you know. So I'll just go to the 4-hour chart. I mean, looking at the price, you know, if it starts going even lower, then this is at some point gonna get diluted, but for right now it's still valid. So I'll be waiting. Just quick little update. If you want to learn the strategy for free, check the first link in the description. And there's like literally nothing else that I would try and add here. When like this sticker symbol was like around here, if you watch the videos, you're gonna know that we've called out some decent movements here. But, you know, right now that's how it looks like. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.